Internationalization and Commercialization Methods for Business Networks. International Project Cooperation and Management online course. Welcome. I would like to welcome you to my online course on International Project Cooperation and Management. Running international projects is very rewarding, expands your research and business networks, and may sometimes allow you to travel the world. It also brings a lot of responsibilities, stress, assignments, problems and fears. But after a few years of running international projects, I can tell you that once you start, you should never pull back. When you decide to get involved, you should begin slowly, with a limited number of partners, and then expand your networks until you're running really big projects worth millions. Do not be discouraged by the initial obstacles because, as can be expected, you will have to learn how to deal with a number of specific problems. I enjoy it very much. Scope of the course. Syllabus. 1. Introduction to the course. Initial test of your knowledge on how to cooperate and manage international projects. 2. Applying for a project. 3. Problem needs analysis. 4. LFA. 5. Methodologies of project management. 6. Business case. 7. Project product description and benefit review plan. 8. Human resources management. 9. Building a team. 10. Risk management. Summary. Course description. The course primarily focuses on the principles of project management. First, the concept of international projects is going to be discussed. You can also find out how to organize the process of looking for a partner. Once you decide to start a project, you have to plan the whole process very carefully. We recommend that you use one of the project management methodologies, and Prince 2 is presented as an example. The basic tools used at the planning stage are shown to you, and since projects always require teamwork, you will be guided through the basic rules on working in a group. Project management is also risky, so it is important to understand how to deal with the risks in your projects. Course pedagogy. Running projects brings pleasure, but it is also a very demanding, ongoing activity. It is important to realize that managing projects is a 24/7, 365 job, and sometimes there is little satisfaction at the end. Also, what is more important, this is not really a job for academics, since from the very start the methodology was designed for practitioners. This means it is necessary to gain an insight into the case studies that will be dealt with during the course, and concentrate on practical ways of dealing with difficulties. You have to focus on problem solving, and consequently we try to introduce each topic with real-life examples and situations. Sometimes you will need to read the recommended literature to find the right answers to a topic, as we have concentrated on providing you with some tools which you will learn to apply within the carefully constructed situations presented in several assignments. Class structure. This kind of program is obviously not bound by any obligations or rules, but since courses are generally expected to fit into a certain time frame, we have constructed this as a 10-week module. However, everybody who enrolls in this course can feel free to work at their own pace, as this course does not start at any particular time. What is offered is ongoing consultancy, and as you need our assistance, just post the question and we will respond to it. The learning management platform was designed as a tool to enable the acquisition of certain skills, but not being managed by the university, where obviously it would have to fit into the semester schedule, we have greater freedom. Course materials. Videos giving you an overview of the particular parts. Presentations are the basic tool for presenting various topics. Some presentations are accompanied by audio or video material. PDFs are attached as materials recommended for further reading. Recommended basic literature. Managing Successful Projects with Prince 2, 2009 edition. Axelos 2010. A Guide to the Project Management Body of Knowledge, PMBOK Guide, 5th edition, PMI 2013. The Standard for Program Management, 3rd edition, PMI 2013. England R. Lucero A. The Complete Project Manager, Integrating People, Organizational and Technical Skills, PMI 2012. Course Evaluation. Everyone who enrolls in the course will undergo a continuous evaluation process through using the technology. You can check your knowledge at the start and have the opportunity to see your progress at the end of the course, sometimes also during single classes. There are obviously no consequences if you fail the final exam, but of course we recommend you make a serious attempt at learning as much as possible from the module.